Hey guys, welcome back to Doug's Basement Workshop. And today we are going to talk about something that is a major mess up with the Glowforge. I know that you have to be really careful when you're cleaning the laser and cleaning all the accoutrements that go with it. If you don't know what this is a very important part of the laser. Picture here for you guys to see what it actually looks like. That big black thing running through my lens is a crack. I took it off of my laser using my tool right here, and it just snaps on magnetically, and then you flip it over, your tool over. There's a little ridge that it sits in, you stick up in the bottom of the laser. One of the things that you guys may not realize is that I have nerve damage from cancer treatment. That's why I kind of gimp around and I don't use one of my arms very often. My hand started to shake when I was putting it back in, and the laser lens fell about 6-7 inches onto the bed of my laser and cracked it. The third time I took it apart to clean it. That is a bummer. My solution to this is now I lay a towel down in the bed of my laser every time I'm going to clean it. So, that is my pro tip. Lay a towel down in your laser when you're cleaning the lenses and you're working on that little black head, because if you drop it, you're kind of out of luck. Alright guys, learn from my mistakes. That's a $100 mistake that I made and a week without my laser. Expensive learning lesson, but hopefully someone else will get something out of that and avoid the $100 lesson that I had to have. Thanks guys. Remember, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.